check your property deeds. We recently had a client call us because they paid a document service to prepare a deed for her father. The intent was that her father was going to add her to the deed so that she would not have to go through probate upon his passing. Well, upon his passing, she went to the county clerk to submit his death certificate so that the property would then be transferred to her name. To her surprise, the clerk advised her that unfortunately she was going to have to go through probate, the very thing she was trying to avoid. She called us and I confirmed that the clerk was correct. Why was the clerk correct? The clerk was correct because the person that she hired, a non-attorney, a notario, or somebody in a plaza saying that they do all of these different areas of law without a license, of course it's very cheap, but now she has to pay to go through probate and eventually receive her mother's property, but even putting that property at risk, because during probate process you have to advise creditors, you have to notice creditors, possibly if they were receiving Medicaid benefits, that could be at risk. So there's all these different issues that come up because she wanted to pay a couple $100 to a document service to avoid probate. Check your deed. It must have very specific language in there to avoid probate and to ensure that the property passes on to the intended recipients upon the owner's passing away.